progress has resumed for RCB in their dominant cauldron. They win by 8 wickets over the Mumbai Indians, who are still searching for answers.
After decimating Delhi Capitals in the previous match, Lucknow Super Giants will now play against Chennai Super Kings on April 3 at the M.A. Chidambaram Stadium in Chennai. On the other hand, the MS Dhoni-led side suffered a 5-wicket defeat at the hands of Gujarat Titans in the opening game in Indian Premier League 2023 and now will be gunning to the other first win the season. However, things will be a bit difficult for CSK. Their bowling seemed weak in the last match, and that is one such area of the team management needs to address immediately. Another thing will be their middle order batting. Rutraj Gaikwad gave them a perfect start, but unfortunately no one could capitalize the middle overs. Dhoni in the end looking fantastic touch, but will he play against LSG after injuring his knee in the last match? That is the question everyone has on their minds right now.